Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Today I'll be reviewing the e-cig Grip Pod System by Joyetech. The e-cig Grip is a 1000 milliamp cartridge style smart pod e-cig with up to a 4.5 milliliter e-liquid capacity. The kit comes in a sturdy cardboard box with a slide-off sleeve. Inside, the kit contents include a warranty card and user guide, a USB charging cable, a spare EXM 0.4 ohm mesh coil, 2 cartridges, a built-in 0.8 ohm coil pod cartridge, and a standard cartridge with a removable pre-installed EXM 0.4 ohm coil, and the e-cig Grip battery. The e-cig Grip is a 1000 milliamp battery that can be charged via the USB port located on the bottom. It features a one-button design with an LED battery indicator light above the USB port. The e-cig Grip offers 2 types of refillable cartridges, a standard cartridge with a 4.5 milliliter e-liquid capacity, and a pod cartridge with a 3.5 milliliter e-liquid capacity. The pod cartridge has a built-in 0.8 ohm coil, and the standard cartridge has a removable EXM 0.4 ohm coil. It can be disassembled into 3 main parts. To get started, prime your coil if using the standard cartridge, or remove the silicone stopper for the pod cartridge. Both cartridges are refilled the same way. Fill the cartridge with e-liquid. Once full, close the silicone stopper. Let the cartridge sit for a few minutes to let the e-liquid completely soak into the cotton wick. Reinsert the cartridge into the e-cig Grip. 5 clicks of the power button turns it on or off. Hold down the power button while you vape. The LED light will turn red when a charge is needed. The e-cig Grip is a small e-cig that packs a punch. The one-button design makes it easy to use, and the compact size makes it easy to store. I like the 2 styles of cartridges, and that you get 3 coils with this kit. The standard cartridge is designed for direct lung, and the pod cartridge is designed for mouth to lung. I do wish they still had some type of airflow control to really dial it in. I like that you can replace the EXM coil instead of the entire standard cartridge. The cartridges also fit very snug into place. The vapor production was great, and it's cool that you can replace the 510 drip tip for the one of your liking. Another cool feature is the DBP technology that cuts power right before a dry hit in case you forget to refill, so your coil won't get burned. I really like the e-cig Grip and I don't have any major cons with it. So far, it's a great performing pocket-friendly e-cig. The e-cig Grip starter kit currently runs in the $30 to $40 range, and it comes in 11 colors to choose from. If you'd like to pick up the kit for yourself, just click on the info link in the description box below this video. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and connect with me on my social sites. Have an excellent day, and may the vape be with you.